2,378 feet above sea level. That is just below 4,000 feet of altitude change. Due to the high altitude change, if any of you start to feel dizzy or nauseous, please bring it to my attention right away. We are going to reach a max speed of 12.5 miles per hour, and it will take us 15 minutes to get to the top. On our way to the top of the mountain, there will be 2 blue towers we cross over. When we cross over those towers, the tram car is going to swing and it is going to sway. It is perfectly normal and it is perfectly safe. Just don't let it catch you off guard. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If I don't know the answer to something, I will pretend to. Alright, if you're looking at either side of the tram car, you'll see a small hiking trail. That hiking trail was the original service road to our first tower. We did get service trucks and even cranes up that road. Speaking of our first tower, we are coming up on it. Again, just be prepared for that slight swing and sway. Tower 1 does stand 232 feet tall with an additional 40 feet cemented into the mountain. It does lean towards Albuquerque at an 18-degree angle, the same angle the Leaning Tower of Pisa leans at. Just to give everyone an idea of how looks can be deceiving on the Sandia Mountain, if you're looking at the south side of the tram car, you'll see what we call golf ball rock because it looks like a golf ball being prepared to tee off. Golf ball rock is twice the size of this tram car. If you're looking to the north and you look to the very top of this hill, you'll see what we call cannon rock because it looks like a cannon being prepared to fire off. Cannon rock is 1.5 times the size of this tram car.
8 seconds. That look on your face. Oh, wait a minute.
We've gotten pretty good business.
Alright, we are approaching the Four Seasons Visitor Center, which is also our upper terminal. There is going to be bumping as we come in a dock up here, just don't let it catch you off guard. If you're looking for a high finance restaurant, you'll just follow the red boardwalk down. It will take you straight to the restaurant. You can't miss it. It's the only other operational building up here. If you're planning to go hiking or walk around on top of the mountain, please be cautious while doing so. We did have fresh snowfall last night at 10 inches, and there are still parts of the mountain where the snow gets 3 feet deep.
That's hilarious.
No, we're leaving. Harlan is my upper terminal. He'll be letting you all out on the doors opposite side of me. I do want to thank you again for riding to the top of Sandia Peak Tram. We are going to have to wait 1 minute for Harlan to open our doors because we are on the same haul port as the other tram car and they do dock a couple seconds after us. If you want to take this tram car straight down, it is departing immediately. You do have to get off and come back around through the entrance doors. You cannot hang out on the tram car. It is first come, first served for getting off the top of the mountain. Otherwise, the next one will be up in 15 minutes. You can get on any tram car going down as long as you have your round trip ticket.
Yeah.
If you don't have your round trip ticket, you can do one of two things. You can buy a one-way from our upper terminal, or you can take a chance and hike the lose.
There we go.
I see enough to not want to hike it. You're welcome. Have fun on top of the mountain.
Thank you. You want to hang out up here for a while?
Oh, I don't care. The next one comes in 15 minutes.
Yeah. It's nice up there. It's gotta be colder.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's a ski lift. Comes up the other side.
Just for that.
What did they say the elevation was?
Well, if this is Sandia Peak, the internet said 10,000 feet.
10,000 feet.
A little over, yeah, 10,000, like 700, 10,000. Closer side to 11, but if that's it, this is the highest peak.
Do you have that card? Give you that little green card. Yeah, that one right there. Let's see. Vertical rise of 3,819 feet.
I mean, we're already,
Yeah, we're at 10,378 feet.
wow.
Cool.
Look how close the that's cool. Those clouds so close like that.
So the vertical rise is 3,819 feet, and that
Wow.
the other day we rode 4,400 feet vertically.
But not all.
Not all at once,
over
but
miles.
yeah.
I mean, over several miles. This is just going.
Oh yeah. That's 2.7
Yeah.
miles. We did it in what 17 miles. That still blows my mind though that we can
Yeah, no kidding that you did
that
it.
high.
Crazy.
Alright guys, today is day 31 and today we're riding for testing our methods. Yesterday we rode for the messenger, which the ultimate messenger is Jesus Christ. Today we're riding for testing our methods, which is as we put together our rules and correct principles for our lives. In order to figure out if they're correct or not, we need to go test them. So use the scientific method to do that. It's a good way to do it, and scientific method applies to science, religion, whatever you want to do. It's pretty cool. So standing at the top of Sandia Peak that's Albuquerque, New Mexico behind me, and we're at 10,400 feet. So today is an RV move, and needed to get the car serviced, or support car serviced, so it's being worked on down there while we are decided to come take the tram and kill a couple of them. It's beautiful. A little bit windy. It's a 25-mile-an-hour wind with 35. Scenery here, and then I'm gonna go take some pictures. Get a chance when you're driving through Albuquerque, maybe on your way to Texas from Utah, or Texas to Utah, stopping place about halfway, and can't wait to bring my girls here.